Hi everyone, this is Shayla at ConceptShell. This second part video will show how to set up your art for pin production. If you haven't yet, watch my first video where I prepped my Filipino Americans of Seattle artwork by cleaning it up and uniting all similar shapes and colors. The first thing you want to do is change all colors to a Pantone code. I pre-selected all of my Pantone code colors on the left here, which ensures colors will come out exactly how I want them to be. I've got a gold gradient to show that gold backer plating. Here's an example of my Seattle Space Needle Knights pin I first designed that got trademark license with them. You can see the gold plate that has to be in between every color that's on the design. The plating will get debossed, in other words, pushed into the metal to allow for the areas of the different colors to fill the pin. I've already grouped majority of the same colors in my design. I'm going to tap the colors and use the eyedropper tool to select the Pantones I want them to be filled in with. Sometimes I select similar colors, delete them in Control-Z, and put them back to make sure I got everything selected. I want the design to have that nice shiny gold outline. So we're getting really close to finishing this up. With all the prep work done prior, I'm just taking a last look at this. I need to make sure that every single shape that has that backer color outline is in the gold. And side note on the gold, sometimes people prefer to change all the bright yellows to be the gold plate, which is cool too. Some of you may want to use a silver, copper, or black background plating. As for me, I want that bright yellow to stand out and have good contrast against that blue. So here I'm going to now select all the other pieces and add that outline to represent the gold backer plating. So I've got that on the yellow, the orange, and the reds. I'm going to make this outline a little bit thicker so you can see it better. I'm going to move over to the S now and start selecting all the interior pieces here as well. I'm going to use the eyedropper tool, pull that outline over, hit all the stars, and then move down to the body of the Space Needle. Do the same thing for each color. And I think I've got it all. But after selecting all of those, I realize all of these pieces are pretty small. A standard pin is 1.25 inches tall. I've got my pin set to this size. Now I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to assume that these parts of this Space Needle that are in the smaller details like the stars and the body of the Space Needle are going to be too small to fill with ink because there's just not enough area. So I'm deleting the gold outlines around those pieces. If you're not sure, the vendor can let you know if it's doable as an ink or it needs to be printed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this how-to tutorial, hit subscribe, share it out, drop me a like, and comment to let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.